The penguin,
Penguin.
penguin house.
Okay.
We are looking mispronounced ones, in fact, so make sure to stay tuned for those. How do you say it? Hazel. Hazel. Pretty straightforward ones. You know you do want to stress on that first hay syllable, but
Hazel.
Hazel.
Okay, hazel.
Hazel and I giggled as
Can we be loud?
we skipped ahead of Mom and Dad.
Okay, skip is kind of wrong. Skip through something. Okay. Let's see. Skip. Yeah, skip. Let us see. Maybe that's a video. Show how to skip. What's this?
Come with me because I'm going to teach you how to do an A skip.
A skip. No, I don't want a skip. Oh, like the kids just run in a certain way. That's a skip. Yeah, like that. Skip. Okay. So Hazel and I giggled as we skipped ahead of Mom and Dad.
We were in a rush to get to the zoo's South Pole.
Yeah, South Pole. So South Pole. So where are the penguin? The penguin are in the South Pole. Okay. The polar bear are on the North Pole. Exhibit. Okay. Exhibit. Exhibit those things. Exhibit. Okay. What's that?
Admit.
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 Admit. To say that you accept, do not delay the truth.
Okay.
He admitted to me that he didn't know the answer.
Okay. That's admitted.
Admit.
Admit.
Exhibit.
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 Okay.
Exhibit.
Exhibit.
Can I spell?
EXHIBIT. Exhibit. Now.
Okay. Okay. Collection
Of
objects
that have been put out in a
public
place
space
for people to look at.
at
This shall
includes
the
dozens interesting
exhibit,
Yeah, the H is silent. You say exhibit. The H is silent.
exhibit,
exhibit,
Okay, spell it.
exhibit.
What's that?
Now,
Okay.
exhibits. The school at exhibit.
Good. Okay. We were in a rush to get to the zone's South Pole.
Exhibit.
Hazel
Hazel was wearing a t-shirt
shirt.
with tiny
Penguins.
penguins all over it. A penguin had a
Splash. What's that?
exhibit,
exhibit.
Okay, spell it.
exhibit. Exhibit. Now, a school at exhibit.
Okay.
plush, 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 plush,
Made up of thick soft
Fabric. Okay. The cloth fabric. Thick and soft.
plush, plush,
Okay, spell it.
Plus.
Let's see where it is. A plush, I see. Yeah, something like that. Plush. Penguin backpack. Yeah, a plush penguin backpack like that. Okay. The thick, soft cloth. Okay.
plush,
Adjective. Made out of thick soft fabric.
Okay.
Plus
Toys. Okay. Plush toys. No. Plush. Can I spell it?
Adjective.
Okay. A plush
Penguin backpack. I had also almost one. I
penguin.
penguin.
Can I spell it?
penguin penguin backpack too, but I was too embarrassed.
Yeah.
I couldn't
Resist.
bringing my book about penguins.
So he actually bought that book about penguin. Okay.
Do you think we will get to see the zoo zookeeper, 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 zookeepers. Feed the penguins.
Squirrel. What's up?
Plush.
Plus,
Plush.
plus,
Plush.
plus, adjective, made of a thick soft fabric. Plus, toys.
Squeal.
Square,
Squeal.
square,
Squeal.
square,
Squeal.
square.
Okay.
To make a
Sure.
shrill cry.
Okay, make a loud, a shrill cry. High pitch.
Squeal.
Square,
Squeal.
square.
Squeal.
Okay, spell.
SQUEAL, square.
Okay. See now Hazel say, do you think we will get to see the zookeepers feed the penguin?
Square the
Hazel. Okay.
Probably
Yes.
the website.
Good website. We are using a website. Yeah.
Website says here there are feelings.
Feedings.
That have
Every
every 2 hours I answered. It says in my book that they needed to eat about 10 pounds of food every day. A few months ago, Hazel and I wanted watched a movie about penguins and
Antarctica.
Antarctica.
Antarctica. Okay. Ever
since then, we had been wandering
is like the penguin walking. Okay.
around, pretending to carry eggs on our feet and sliding around our
stomachs. Okay. Then maybe I know this Antarctica. Okay, we just know how to pronounce it. It's in the North Pole. Okay. Antarctica. I think. Yeah, the North Pole. It's very cold over there. Okay, what's that?
Squeal. Squeal.
Square.
Squeal. Squeal.
To make a shell cry.
No, that's not. Yeah, what's that?
Scream.
Scream. Okay. What is this?
Antarctica.
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 Okay, Antarctic.
And